You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this street in England. Oh, not a street, a city. There are some streets in different places that are named after it, but it's a city in England. The British English pronunciation is as Chichester. If you want to learn more names of famous places in the UK that are confusing, you can stay tuned. Make sure to stay tuned. Chichester. 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 Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.